All right, guys, we got 2018 Phoenix, 2 autos, 1 M guaranteed, rising rookie material signatures, pieces of football glove or helmets,
One hot pack, which is going to be your color burst pack.
color burst pack. Yep, says that. Here on the front, you got 12 packs, 5 cards, a pack.
I was lucky enough, I opened a box of this about a month ago and I got my color burst pack of Baker. So
That's cool.
that made me happy.
All
I got
right.
good hits too. I think I got a Nick Chubb and a Josh Allen, so
Does it open this way?
should.
Okay. Like this. I don't want to mess it up. Is that how it's supposed to go?
I don't know.
Yeah, it is. There you go. Just start from the front. Good as way as any.
Just rip it. And we looked up that from the Illusions box, we looked up the Mike Green. He was a Heisman Trophy winner for
Gordon, Cam
USC.
Newton,
halfback.
rookie of Royce
That
Freeman.
might be numbered. Check the back on that.
Oh, it is. $2.99.
And then this one too, maybe.
Unmatched Jerome Bettis. Not numbered, but Saquon rookie. There you
Base
go.
rookie, there you go. Good first pack.
Been telling me I need more Saquon in my life.
Hey.
Jalen Ramsey, Eli Manning, a Marquise out of 199,
Nice one.
Larry out of 299,
Unmatched. It's a good looking card.
and a Carlton Davis rookie. So most of these numbered on the back, or is it mixed?
I think they all are numbered on the back. You can tell though the base card design, and then the numbered ones will have a different color.
Oh, okay.
It'll be kind of
Devonta Freeman, Alan Hearns,
Christian
Kirk,
might be
149.
here.
Ooh,
It's a nice looking card though. The purple background on it.
yeah, but it's got something down there. Unless that's part of the card. That may be. I think that's part of the card. It must be. I don't know.
Nice looking card.
Jordy Nelson,
Adrenaline Rush.
Adrenaline Rush. Jordy, what up, dude?
Shout out to Packers Cards 87.
Dylan Cantrell. I got an auto of him, huh?
Yeah.
You told me to throw it away.
Yeah. It's fire starter. Nah, that was out of what was it, Retail Prism, I think you got it out of.
Oh, okay. We got a hit. And it's blue.
101.
Denzel Ward. Tom Brady. Jared Goff. Marquez Valdez out of 99, but we got a hit here. I think it's
Bronco.
Deshaun. Damn you! Damn you! Damn you! RPA.
Another one. We got Deshaun's gonna become his PC for sure.
Out of 149. It's nice, but
What if Deshaun
this is out of 99.
makes it
Can't
big?
win. I got lots of cards for sale. Our first hit.
Definitely thrilled with that one, as you can tell.
It's not that I'm mad about it. It's just
Same. What's the odds? That's what I gotta wonder.
I don't know. Mac, Alex Collins, Mike Evans to 199.
There you go, Adrenaline Rush.
Simi Cobbs Jr. I don't know if I've ever seen a rookie of this guy.
I have. Sounds like a baseball player though. Still looking for one auto. Maybe another mint. Yeah, I would think so. Since that RPA probably counted as an auto. And then the color burst pack.
It's a hit in here. MJ Stewart, Breeze, Dak. Looks like a Lion.
Carry on or Deshaun Hand, probably. Carry
Carry
on
on.
Johnson.
Out of 249. Oh,
RPA.
another
Not bad.
RPA.
So now we're just looking for the Mim out of here. It's a nice one. Carry on's having a good season. Hopefully he stays healthy. Devontae
I
Parker.
didn't even see that this was numbered. Yeah, 149. Been a pretty solid box so far.
No complaints for sure. Color burst.
Oh,
We got Cam.
these are all sleevable, huh?
Yeah. Melvin Gordon. There you go. Breeze unmatched.
DJ Moore,
Not a bad one. And
Derek Nottie.
Not bad at all. I got a Brady color rush out of mine too, which was nice.
Did I get a Brady?
Not a color rush. You got a Breeze.
Yeah. Just as
I think you
good.
left an extra pack in there.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh.
Straggler.
A-Rod. Devontae Parker base. Drew Brees to 149.
Devil. That's a pretty card.
Yeah, it is. QB Vision, Marcus Mariota. And Ronald Jones, the second rookie. So do I have any hits left? I don't know. I guess I don't. Should be 3 hits.
Yeah, 3 hits.
Marquise Goodwin. Zay Jones. Mike White, rookie. To 10.
Ooh, there you go. Cowboys fans out there.
Phillip Rivers to 299.
QB Vision. Nice looking card.
Micah Fitzpatrick.
Minka. Oh, you pulled the carrot. You only pulled 2 so far, so you still have a hit.
Okay. Jordan
Maybe
Howard.
an auto.
Big Ben. That looks
Or a
different.
Mim. Sorry.
It's not. Sean Watson. Leonard Fournette to 299. And Christopher Herndon the 4th. I don't know which
It's going to be a Baker
one. Man.
or a Saquon.
Robbie Anderson. Derrick Henry. Doris Fontaine. That could be it. No. Numbered to 299.
Peyton Manning.
Peyton Manning. Kiki Cootie. Last pack mojo.
Should be a hit. If not, we'll be going out to Panini headquarters.
You screwed me with that 1 of 1.
So angry at you.
Marius Thomas. No, there's a hit here.
Phillip Rivers.
Luke Falk, rookie. Phillip Rivers. Isaiah Oliver. Anthony Miller.
To 199.
No, to 100.
On a 100. Not bad at all. That, it's interesting there.
On the bottom.
Yeah.
Thought it was like little.
Yeah, it looks like it's in the jersey, though.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
Isaiah Oliver to 199.
All in all, a pretty good box. I mean, you got some decent name rookies there with Carry On and Anthony Miller.
Yeah.
Deshaun's not bad. Good numbered cards.
We'll recap.
Those are base. Let's not recap those again.
Yeah, wrong stack. Peyton Manning, unmatched.
I think you got it all mixed up here.
I do. Phillip Rivers.
Base.
Is it base?
Yeah. It's pretty late here. He's been up all day.
Luke Falk. Kiki Cootie, rookie. Derice Fontaine to 299. Adrenaline Rush, Leonard Fournette to 299. Christopher Herndon, rookie. Minka Fitzpatrick, rookie. QB Vision, Phillip Rivers to, that's the one I was looking for, 299. Mike White to 10.
Any Cowboys fans out there interested?
Ronald Jones, second rookie. QB Vision, Mariota,
Base.
Drew Brees, 149. All the
Color burst.
color bursts. I don't think I had any numbered ones.
No, but I don't think they come in numbered ones.
Oh, okay.
I could be wrong, but you can get a rookie out of there and those kind of things. So.
Yeah. Adrenaline Rush, Mike Evans to 199. MJ Stewart, rookie. I think I'm putting these all in the wrong pack. Oh, well, I don't even know.
Okay.
Simi Cobbs Jr., rookie. Marquez Valdez Scantling to 99. Denzel Ward, rookie. Dylan Cantrell, rookie. Jordy Nelson, what up, dude? Adrenaline Rush. Christian Kirk to 149. Carlton Davis, rookie. Unmatched Fitz to 299. Marquise Goodwin to 199. Saquon, rookie, and it got bent.
Ooh. Well, we're going to Panini headquarters, guys. We'll make a video on the way.
Nah, it's probably me. Unmatched,
Bettis.
Jerome Bettis, and Royce Freeman, rookie. And then hits are Anthony Miller, jersey, Carry On, RPA, and Deshaun Hamilton, RPA. So all in all, I mean, they delivered to me. I mean, I got 2 RPAs, and then I got the mem, so. And the color burst, so.
And you get to keep the box.
Yeah. So anyway, that is 2018 Phoenix, guys. Definitely leave us a comment, take a look, and thanks again for watching. Have a good one.
See you guys. Take care.